This is a final video to fix SCRCPY no sound in some apps. Are you struggling with apps not playing sound when you mirror your phone? Many users face this problem because SCRCPY only mirrors video by default and sometimes misses audio from certain apps. You might have seen other solutions on YouTube or social media, but they are often too complicated, confusing, and full of extra steps. On Rexish, I have a simple trick that fixes this problem quickly and easily without wasting your time. With this method, you can hear sound from all apps while using SCRCPY, and it works every time. If you want to make a step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it, comment below and let me know. Stay tuned to Rexish for easy tech fixes that actually work.